Ever dreamt of growing your wealth but felt intimidated by the stock market? Maybe you've heard whispers of robo-advisors like StashAway, but a nagging question lingers: can I even afford to start? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of StashAway deposit limits, and by the end, you'll know exactly how much you need to get your wealth-building journey started. What is StashAway? Before we jump into deposits, let's rewind a sec. StashAway is a robo-advisor platform. Imagine a financial whiz-kid shrunk into an app. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and goals, and StashAway builds a personalized investment portfolio based on globally diversified ETFs, fancy term for investment baskets. They handle the rebalancing and managing, so you can sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. Why deposit limits matter? So, why are deposit limits important? It all boils down to accessibility. Knowing the minimum amount to start lets you plan your investment strategy. If it's super high, you might need to save up first. But if it's low, you can potentially start investing right away, even with a smaller budget. Does StashAway have a minimum deposit? Here's the exciting news: StashAway boasts a relatively low minimum deposit compared to some competitors. You can get started with just SGD $1,000, Singapore dollars. That's a fantastic entry point, especially for young investors or those just starting their investment journey. Benefits of starting small. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent deposits. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. The more you contribute, the bigger it grows. Plus, starting small allows you to ease into investing and get comfortable with the platform. Think of it as a test drive before you rev the engine. Beyond the minimum, additional deposits. The good news doesn't stop there. Once you're comfortable, there's no maximum limit on additional deposits with StashAway. So, feel free to top up your investment pot as your budget allows. The more you contribute, the faster you can potentially reach your financial goals. Making the most of StashAway. Here are some bonus tips to maximize your StashAway experience. Set up recurring deposits, automate your savings. Schedule regular deposits, no matter how small, to build a consistent investment habit. Increase deposits over time. As your income grows, consider upping your contributions. This helps accelerate your wealth accumulation. Rebalance regularly. StashAway handles this automatically, but understanding rebalancing helps you trust the process. It keeps your portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance as market conditions fluctuate. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market dips. Stay focused on your goals and avoid checking your portfolio daily. Patience and consistency are key to building long-term wealth. So, there you have it. With a minimum deposit of just SGD $1,000, StashAway makes investing accessible to almost anyone. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start building your financial future. If you're ready to take control of your finances and unlock the potential of the stock market, head over to StashAway's website and explore their investment options. Remember, the power to grow your wealth is in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.